I'm at home.
You're at home. Wow, you had a haircut?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. I
Okay.
new cut.
Oh, yes. It's beautiful.
Thank you, thank.
Okay. I remember I gave you a homework, right?
Yes.
Yes. What was that again?
Yes.
Look up the sky. What was that again? I told you to look up the sky last last night, right?
Yes.
Okay. What did you see? Can you tell me?
I didn't see the star. I look at the night. I look at
Mm-hmm.
the door, but no star.
Oh, there are no stars. Maybe it's cloudy. That's why.
Yes. Cloudy.
Okay. It's cloudy. Okay. All right. So today we will be talking about mm, stepping na, ha? We will be talking about the ecosystem. Do you know what is ecosystem?
I don't know.
You don't know yet. Okay. I have a question. You have at home, right?
Yes.
You are in your house.
Yes.
Okay. I
My
have
house.
another question. Yes. Okay. So, what are the things that you do at home?
I I I I play with my brother.
You're playing with your brother. Okay. Are you playing with your mother too?
No.
No? Okay. So, let's talk about. Oh, why? Wait. Okay. So, what can you see in the picture?
No.
Can you see the picture well?
Yes, I can see.
Okay. What can you see in the picture? Can you tell me what can you see?
I can see many flowers
Many flowers. What else?
and trees and the sun
Trees. What else? And the sun. Okay. What do you think? Where is that?
is
Where can you
in
usually many trees?
is in the sky.
I have another question. Where can you see many trees?
I can see at the forest
At the forest. Okay. How about the sun? Where can you see the sun?
in the sky.
In the sky. Okay. Okay. So let's talk about ecosystem. Can you read it again? Can you read it again? Ecosystem.
Ecosystem.
Okay. Can you see the picture well?
Yes, I can see it well.
Oh, okay. So again, we will be talking about ecosystem. What is ecosystem? Okay. So here it is. Can you read it? An
And
ecosystem.
ecosystem a
A
compartment
community of
of
organisms.
organisms and
Mhm.
their
And
and their
physical,
medical
physical environment,
environment inter
environment,
interacting
interacting
together.
together. Okay. How can you say it in Thai? Can you read this one? How can you say it in Thai?
ระบบนิเวศคือ
Mhm.
ระบบนิเวศคือชุมชน
Mhm.
สิ่งของสิ่งมีชีวิตและ
Mhm.
ในสิ่งแวดล้อมที่อยู่ด้วยกันไม่เศร้า
Mhm. Mhm. Okay, so an ecosystem is a community. It is just like a place where organisms, where organisms แปลว่า living things and non-living things are interacting together. เข้าใจไหม? For example, at your house, at your home. So there is your brother, your mother, your father, or your grandmother. So your home serves as a place where you can interact together. เข้าใจไหม?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So I have here another. Environment involves both living organism and then non-living organism. Okay. So can you give me or do you know what living things are? Do you know what living things? Living things are the one who are taking food. ใช่ไหม?
Reproductive
Mm-hmm. Can you give me an example of living things?
animal
Animals. What else?
plant
Mm-hmm.
human
Plants. What else?
woman woman
Again, human.
human
Yes. So example of living things are plants, animals, and humans, right? Okay. How about non-living things? Can you give me an example?
yes
Okay. So let's go now to non-living things. Can you give me an example?
TV
Again,
TV
TV. Okay. What else?
table
Sorry?
table house
Uh-huh. Table, house. What else?
kitchen
Kitchen. Okay. I have another question here. I will give you an example and just tell me if it is living things or non-living things. Okay. I have here a pen. Is that a living things or non-living things? I have here a pen. Is that living things or non-living things?
No living thing.
Non-living things. How about your mother? Is she a living thing or non-living thing?
Living thing.
Okay. How about your brother?
Living thing.
Living things. Okay. I have here another. I have here a tumbler. Is that living things or not? Tumbler where I can put a water. Is that living things or non-living things?
No living thing.
Non-living things. All right. How about animals? Non-living things or living things?
Living thing. Living thing.
Living things. Okay. So living things are those who can use foods, right? And non-living things, those are the things that are not using food. เข้าใจไหม?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Let's go to another slide. Okay. Can you see the picture?
Yes, I can see the picture.
Okay. Tell me again. Can you describe the picture? What can you see in the picture?
I can see forest,
Forest. Okay. What else can you see in the picture?
the sun,
The sun. Wow, very good. What else?
and a
There is the sun.
put put
Again.
put
Mm-hmm. What else? So
and
assuming that this is a forest, so you can see a sun. What
yeah,
are these one? What are these things?
it's a
These
tree.
are trees. Okay. Maybe there is small stones here. Right. And some animals also. Okay. Next, I have another question here. What can you see in the forest? In the forest, you can see.
You can
What
see
have you seen in the picture again? What have you seen in the
a
picture
tree,
again? The
tree,
tree, the sun. What
tree,
else?
sun, stone,
Mm-hmm. Stones.
put
What else? Okay. What
grass.
else? Okay, grasses. Okay. So I have here another picture again. So assuming that this is a forest. So what can you see in the forest? There is a, what is
Monkey
this? A monkey. All right. How about this one?
is a
How about this one?
squirrel.
A squirrel. All right. How about this one? They are flying.
The
These are
butterfly
butterflies. Very good. All right. How about this one?
is a
There is a
bird.
sing. It's a bird. All right. How about this one?
Is a
This is a,
tiger.
there's a tiger. Okay. How about this one?
Is
This
a
is a,
deer.
this a deer. All right. Again, can you tell me what can you see in the forest? In the
I see
forest,
a
I can
bird,
see.
monkey,
Uh-huh.
deer,
Okay.
and a butterfly. and a
Uh-huh.
tiger,
Uh-huh. What else?
and a butterfly.
Butterfly. What else? A deer. A bird. Am I right? You're sleepy again?
No, I'm not.
Okay. So, in the forest, you can see a monkey, a squirrel, a bird, many animals. Am I? Okay. So let's talk about food chain. Food chain. Can you tell it? Food chain.
Food chain.
Food chain. Okay. So what is a food chain? With a food chain, it shows
Food
how
chain.
plants and animals get their energy. How can you say it in Thai?
ของสวรรค์
Mm-hmm.
ของโซกอาหาร
Mm-hmm.
แสดงเห็นว่าพืช
Mm-hmm.
และสัตว์ได้รับพลังงานอย่างไร
Mm-hmm. Okay. Again, food chain. It shows how plants. Can you give me an example of a plant? Can you give me an example of a plant? Do you have plants?
plants yes I have
Yes. Can you give me an example of a plant?
จิงโกะ
Mm-hmm. What else? You told me before that you have a lot of plants. Am I?
yes
Yes. What are those plants?
banana
But
banana
okay,
tree
I okay,
coconut tree
I can. Hmm,
coconut tree
coconut tree. How about animals? Do you have a pet at home?
I have
Do you have a pet?
a cat and one dog
You have a cat and one dog. Okay. So, what does your cat and dog eat?
that cat is rat
Rats. How about your dog? What does your dog eat?
dog eat
Are they
bird
eating are they eating food?
dog eat bird
Mm-hmm. Are they eating foods?
yes
Yes. You're sleepy again, na? Are you sleepy?
no
No. Okay. Let's talk about food chain. What can you see in the picture again? It is a
bird
bird. Okay. So I have here all living things need food to be able to survive. How can you say it in Thai?
สิ่งมีชีวิตจุดชุกชนิดต้อง
Mm-hmm.
การอาหาร เพื่อ
Mm-hmm.
ให้รับอาหารหรือสำคัญอยู่ร้อน
Mm-hmm. Okay, so the bird says that all living things need a food to be able to survive. So we need to eat food in order for us to survive. Are you eating food, sir? Yes. Are you drinking water? Do you like to drink water? Okay, so food chains are one way to demonstrate how energy is transferred between plants and animals. Oh my gosh, you're sleepy. You're so sleepy na. Okay, so I have here a simple food chain. So what can you say in the picture again? There is what is this? A leaf? How about this one?
Caterpillar.
How
Bird.
about this one? A, a worm and a bird.
Bird.
Okay. Okay, so there are three things here. There is a leaf, worm, and a bird. So this is an example of food chain. Okay, so the leaf will be eaten by a worm, and a worm will be eaten by a bird. That is an example of food chain. Okay, another. All right, again, same example. I have here a leaf, worm, and a bird. Okay, so the food chain begins with a producer. Producer pewa. It gives energy to the one who will be eating. Okay, so the producer here is the leaf. Are you with me?
Produce.
Can you hear me well?
Producer.
Mm-hmm.
I hate
Can
you.
you hear me? Okay. All
Yeah.
right, again. So the food chain begins with a producer. A producer, pewa. It producer, pewa. It gives energy to the one who will be eating. For example, the leaf, the leaf will be eaten by a worm, and then a worm will be eaten by a bird. Okay, so again, the producer here is the leaf. The primary consumer is the worm. And then the secondary consumer will be the bird.
I see.
Hello?
I see.
Okay. I have here another example. What can you say in the picture again? What do you call this one?
Grass.
A
Grasshopper.
grass.
Mouse.
Grasshopper. Mouse. And what is
Owl.
this? What is this?
Owl.
Owl. Okay. All right. So who? I have a question, huh? Answer my question. Okay, answer my question. Who eats the grass? Who eats the grass? Who eats the grass?
Eat the grass.
Again,
Eat the grass.
this is a grass. Okay. But I have a question.
Producer.
Who will be who will be eating the grass?
Grasshopper.
The the grasshopper. Again, I have a question again. Who will be eating the grasshopper? The
Mouse. The
the
mouse.
mouse. Okay. Who will be eating the mouse?
The owl.
The owl. Okay. So the grass will give energy to the grasshopper. You're very sleepy na.
Grass.
Uh-huh.
Grasshopper. A mouse.
Uh-huh. The grass will be eaten by a grasshopper, and then the grasshopper will be will eaten by a mouse,
eaten by
and
a
then the
mouse.
mouse, and then the mouse will be
He is
eaten
eaten by
by
a mouse. Owl.
an owl. Okay. So grass again is a producer. Producer, pewa. It gives energy to the one who will be eating. Okay. So the grasshopper is the what type of consumer is the grasshopper? It is
Secondary
the primary
customer.
primary consumer.
Customer.
Okay. How about the mouse?
Secondary
Okay.
customer.
And then the owl will be tertiary. Can you say it? Tertiary consumer.
Battery.
Tertiary consumer.
Customer.
Okay. So again, the grass is it is always the producer. Next, primary. Primary, pewa, it is the first thing to eat the producer. Kajimai, can you hear me?
Actually, first. Actually,
Mm-hmm. Okay, I have here another again. What can you see in the picture? What is this? This is a,
this the sun.
how about this one?
First, first the
Mm-hmm.
car from
Mm-hmm. Okay.
next
Okay. And an eagle.
eagle.
Okay. So what is the producer here? Can you tell me what is the producer?
The sun.
Mm-hmm. Producer. The sun will only give sunlight to the grass. You cannot eat the sun. So what is the producer
Is
here?
producer.
Again,
First is producer.
mm-hmm. How about the primary consumer?
Grasshopper.
Grasshopper. How about the secondary consumer?
From frog.
Uh-huh. How about the tertiary consumer? Yeah, what is this?
Snake.
The snake. Okay, so the last thing who will be eating the snake will be the eagle. Okay, I have another question here. All right, so what do you call the thing that gives sunlight to the producer? It gives sunlight. What do you call that one?
Tree.
It it gives sunlight.
It is sunlight.
The sun gives sunlight to the producer. The producer, which is the grass, is or will be eaten by a grasshopper. And then a grasshopper.
Eaten by frog.
Uh-huh. Okay, again. So who
Frog.
will be
Frog.
eating the
Eaten
grass?
by
Question. Who will be eating the grass?
grasshopper.
The grasshopper. Very good. Who will be eating the grasshopper?
From
Frog. Oh, frog. Okay. Who will be eating the frog?
snake.
The snake. Who will be eating the snake?
Eagle.
The eagle. Okay. So I have one more question here. Do you have an energy if you are eating foods?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. How about if you will drink water or if you will drink Nestle, will you have an energy?
No, I don't.
Uh-huh. Okay. All right. So this is a food chain. So food chain, what is a food chain again? A food chain again is it's how the non-living things and living things interacting together.
All right.
You're very sleepy, Nature.
Sorry.
Next time maybe next time maybe we will be having a class in the morning. Do you want that? So that you will not be sleepy.
Okay.
Okay. At what time do you want in the morning?
10 o'clock.
10? Oh,
10 o'clock.
10. Okay. So we will be having a 10 o'clock class. Is it tomorrow? Can we start tomorrow?
At
Yes. Oh, tomorrow I will be available at 10:20. Is that okay?
10:20. Okay.
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 Okay. So, do you understand our lesson again? Or I will ask more questions tomorrow.
I understand.
You
Well,
understand? You understand well? Okay. I
yeah.
have one more question. What was our topic today?
Copy.
Topic. What is our lesson today again? Can you tell me?
Nicola
It's all
is
about,
copying.
again,
Yes.
our topic
Nicola is.
today. Uh-huh.
Nicola is.
What is our topic today? It's all about ecosystem and food chain, di ba?
Hmm.
Our topic today is all about ecosystem and food chain, di ba?
Yes.
Yes. What can you see in the ecosystem again?
You can see the ecosystem.
You can see what are the two things that you can see in the ecosystem. You can see what? What can you see in the ecosystem? you can see living things and non-living things. ใช่ไหม?
Yes.
Yes. Living things are, can you give me an example again? Living things are plants, trees, animals, humans, right?
Right.
Right. How about non-living things?
Furniture.
Furnitures. Okay, the house, tables, chairs, or everything that do not use foods, right?
Right.
Right. Okay. So, are you here with me?
Hmm?
Are you still with me?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Okay, shall I see you tomorrow again?
Okay. Bye
Okay.
bye.
All right.
Tomorrow.
See you tomorrow again at 10:20 ใช่ไหมคะ?
Yes. Hmm.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye bye.